Hop into the 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. This vehicle still has fewer than 80,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Now is the perfect time to start a fresh new chapter in your traveling life. Take a closer look at this vehicle. Its design and features represent an outstanding value. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: premium sound system, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps, four-wheel drive, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, locking limited slip differential, running boards, side steps, tow hooks. Meet us at the intersection of style and efficiency. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.